Hello everyone and welcome. So this is our second example using the substitutional method to solve for simultaneous equation. So let's get right into it. So for this we have two equations and our first equation happens to be 2x plus 5y giving us 19, and our second equation x minus 2y giving us negative 4. Negative 4. So let's get right into the solution. Right. Okay. Now we want to isolate. We're taking the equation 2. We're taking the equation 2. For the first example, I used equation 1 as our focus, and when we made x the subject, for this example, I want to use equation 2 as my main focus to make um, any of this variable my subject or isolate any of them so we can move further. So I'm taking equation 2 and I want to make x stand alone, x stand alone. So like I said, you apply the knowledge of change of subject in here. So we're going to get something like this. So we have x giving us minus 4. Remember, when negative 2y crosses over the equal to sign, it becomes positive, right? So positive 2y, positive 2y. So this is the value we have for x. Now, I made mention in the first example that when you have something like this, you do not substitute it back into equation 2. That will give you an error. Rather, you put it in equation 1, right? You put it in equation 1. So what do you have for equation 1? We have 2. And what is our x? Our x is minus 4 plus 2y, right? Minus 4 plus 2y. And there is a positive 5 over there. So positive 5y giving us 19, right? Giving us 19. And so when we move further, 2 will multiply everything in the bracket. So we're having negative 8 plus 4y plus 5y giving us what? 19, right? Giving us 19. So now we want to make the ones with the variable, the numbers with the variable, um, stand on the left hand side, and want to move all the numbers without the variable to the right hand side. So then we have 4y plus our 5y giving us 19. Remember that negative 8 is crossing the equal to sign, so it becomes positive. So plus 8. So therefore, on the left hand side, we have positive 9y giving us 27. Now we want to make y stand alone. So from our knowledge from the previous lesson, we're going to have 9y divided by 9 giving us 27 divided by 9. Right, so 9 will cancel out 9, leaving us y on the left hand side, and then 27 over 9 gives us 3. So therefore our y becomes 3. So this is our answer for y, becomes 3. Now, when you find the value of y, now that we have the value of y, now you can put y in any of this equation, right? But you can also go with the shortcut by putting y in this equation, and I guarantee that you still get the same answer. So let's just put y in equation 1 so we know what we're about. So equation 1 gives us 2x, right? Plus 5. And what is our y? Our y happens to be 3 now. Okay, remember we're looking for x now. So giving us what? 19. So we have our 2x plus 15 giving us what? 19. Okay, giving us 19. So we're going to get 2x. We're moving the 15 to the right hand side to make x stand alone. We want to make x stand alone, 2x stand alone. So giving us 19 minus 15. 19 minus 15. So we have now 2x giving us what? 4, right? So you divide both sides by 2, and then we're left with s giving us what? 2. So now x is 2 and then y is 3. If you want to know whether or not we'll get the same answer when we put the value of y in this equation here, we can try it. So here we have x giving us what? Negative 4 plus 2. And what is our y? Our y is 3, right? Our y is 3. So therefore we are left with x giving us negative 4 plus 6. So x is still giving us what? 2. So our answer is correct. Our answer is correct. And therefore when you put y and then the value of x in any of this equation, you should get the value on the right hand side. That is to say that when you put the value of x in equation 1 and put the value of y in equation 1, when you sum everything up, you get 19. Also, when you put the value of x in equation 2, you put the value of y in equation 2, and then when you subtract, you're supposed to get negative 4. Negative 4. So this is basically it. This is basically it. I'm going to leave some questions for you to try yourself. This is just some try where you can try during your leisure time, and then I hope you understand, and I hope as of now you become a pro in substitutional method in solving simultaneous equation. Yes, so this is the end of our first lesson, and thank you so much, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and also keep the notification bell on, right? So anytime I drop a video, you'll be the first to have it. Thank you so much, and then I'll see you some other time. Bye.